Welcome back, everyone. Last week, we reviewed KFC versus Popeyes fried chicken. And this week is their sandwiches.
Okay, so welcome back. Last week, we looked at KFC versus Popeyes in terms of their spicy chicken, and KFC reigns supreme. Now we are going to look at their chicken sandwich, and I am familiar with KFC Zinger, but I'm not really familiar with this Popeyes chicken. And I remember on the internet, Popeyes chicken sandwich had this crazy wild thing going on where people were fighting for it. So you know what, I'm extremely excited. I want to taste this now. I wonder if I must taste this first or this, and my taste this first and leave this for last because I hope it blows my mind away. I'm really invested. So let's go. Alright, so this is
KFC Zinger, and I hope it packs zing. They have lettuce, mayonnaise, little cheese, and tomato.
It looks really nice. It looks glued together like a nice sandwich. You know, it isn't falling apart. Ready? Let me have a second bite because I don't know. Don't get me wrong, it's a good sandwich, tastes good, but I'm getting more bread than meat. That's strange. One juice? I'm getting way more bread than chicken. And funny enough, when I taste the hot and spicy chicken from KFC, it is more spicy, but in the sandwich it doesn't taste more spicy. I don't know why, you know. Alright, so let's try this. Me now wait no long time. Me now do this. Let's go. Okay, I love the bag. Like a little pouch. Okay, right there, take it out like this. Ooh, right away the bun is different. The bun we call buttery. Okay, wow, this. Woo! Cheese on it too. We told them no cheese and they gave us cheese. Thank you, Popeyes. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I have high expectations. Please don't fail me, please. This is what I'm talking about. Popeyes to the win. Straight Popeyes to the win. It have the pickles, it have the spicy mayonnaise, it tastes the chicken, the bread is like a little bit sweet. You're not just getting bread, you're tasting the chicken. The pickles come through with a tang. KFC doesn't have any pickles, it's just a chicken sandwich, a fried chicken sandwich. This though, this have flavor and there's a smokiness from the Popeyes sandwich. Wow. I would definitely just go to Popeyes and just buy the sandwich alone, and I would be definitely contented. So there you have it. I mean, when it comes to fried chicken, KFC. But when it comes to chicken sandwich, Popeyes. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Yo 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. I want more chicken sandwich. I'm not telling you, yo, we're going slim, but I'm gonna get more of this again.